There are 24 DIMM slots inside. It takes DDR4 memory. There's a number of different speeds that this takes. It's 2133, 2400, 2666, 2933, or 3200. That will be the true fastest speed that you can get with this Gen 10 box is 2933. Different sizes that it can take. It can go as a 4 gig, 8 gig, 16 gig, 32 gig, 64 gig, or all the way up to 128 gigabytes. What type of RAM does my Gen 10 box take? Well, there's ECC Registered, known as an RDIMM, and there's Load Reduced, known as an LRDIMM. ECC Registered will max out at 1.5 terabytes using 2464 gigs at 2933 speed. With Load Reduced, you can actually go all the way up to 3 terabytes, and this is where you can use those 128 gigabytes. You can put in 128 gigabytes, and that will be at 2933 speed as well. So